Hello, everyone, and welcome to Mohammed's English Podcast. I'm Mohammed, and today I'd like to talk about one of the best ways to actually improve your English using this podcast, which is Mohammed's English Podcast. My English learners ask me all the time, what's the fastest way to improve my English? Well, my answer is simple: listen regularly and actively. When you listen to Mohammed's English podcasts, don't just play the episodes in the background, right? Try to focus on the words, expressions, and pronunciation. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a big difference. Here are my top tips. First, listen to an episode all the way through. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Focus on understanding the main idea. Second, listen again. The second time, you will notice new vocabulary, expressions that you missed before. Third, repeat after me. Pause the podcast and copy my pronunciation. This is called shadowing, and it's one of the best ways to actually improve your speaking skills and modern received pronunciation. Fourth, keep a vocabulary notebook. Write down the words and phrases you hear in the podcast. Then try to use them in your own sentences. Fifth, be consistent. Learning English is like going to the gym. Small daily practice is much more effective than studying for hours once a week. Remember, making mistakes is normal, parts of learning. Don't wait until your English is perfect. Before you start speaking, speak as much as you can and learn from your mistakes. Thank you guys for listening to Mohammed's English Podcast. If you enjoy these episodes, make sure that you listen regularly and also share the podcast with other English learners so that they can also improve their English pronunciation and confidence when it comes like into vocabulary. And I'll see you in the next episode. Let me know as well, guys, in the comment section below. I'll be covering lots of his stories, short stories as well, to actually help you improve your pronunciation. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Take care.